Hey, second grade. I am here to show you how to log into the Musicplay online website. And there you can access all the fun games and activities that we're going to be doing over the next few weeks. So follow my little flashlight guy over here. So this is your password and username. So it says username Snow, password 2020. So you're going to go down to username and just type Snow, and then your password 2020, and then log in. So when you log in, you're going to see all of the activities and games that you might recognize from class. So the first thing I want you to do is Poison Melody. Since we just sang our So Mi La So Mi song, we're going to do some Poison Melody with the solfege. So you're going to bring your mouse over here to solfa practice. Solfa is just another way of saying solfege. So you're going to do solfa practice and go down to Poison Melody. Okay? So once you're on Poison Melody, let's do So Mi Do. But you can do So Mi Do, you could do La So Mi, you could even do La So Mi Re Do if you want. But I'm going to do So Mi Do. So here's the two different types. There's the oops or the scary. So let's do the scary So Mi Do. So you just click on the play button.
Poison Melody.
And then you'll have the Poison Melody here.
Echo
How to
every
play.
pattern
Echo
you
every
hear
pattern.
except for the poison pattern.
And then you
The
know what to
poison
do after
pattern
that.
is-
Okay? So then you can close that out. And you can do that as many times as you want. And then when you're done that, I want you to go over here to this game, Match the Melody. Let me get my little flashlight. Match the Melody. Okay? So you're going to click on that. And next. And then you're going to see all the different levels. I know some of you are going to go right to this. Don't do that. Or you can try. If you excel in all the other ones. But let's just stick with the same So Mi Do. So let's do So Mi Do, level 3. So how you play is you just choose a level, and then you can choose to hear the keyboard or the voice. I'm going to do the voice. So click the voice.
So, mi, do, do.
So it said So, Mi, Do, Do. So let's look at the two examples here. If we use our hands, So, Mi, Do, Do. So, Mi, Do, Do. Which one of these starts high and goes down right away? It's this one. Let's see. Correct. Okay. And then you just do the rest of those. And when you're done, you can look around the website if you want. And if you have any questions, just let me know. You can let me know by emailing me. So it's sblind@indiancreekschool.org. Or next week, we'll probably be doing some seesaw stuff, and you can let me know then as well. All right. I hope you had a good first music class. The next slide you go to is going to be the Musicplay online. So you just log in like we said, Snow 2020, and you're good to go. Bye.